Task number 9 is the last task inside SQL Fundamentals, which is part of the Cybersecurity 101 module on TryHackMe. Conclusion. Congrats on... I have to disable that. Congrats on completing SQL Fundamentals. This room has hopefully taught you the importance of databases in computing. With so many use cases which we frequently interact with in our day-to-day lives, learning the fundamentals is a must if you want to pursue a career in cybersecurity. To round things off, let's summarize everything that was covered in this room. Databases are a collection of organized data or information that are easily accessible and can be manipulated or analyzed. The two primary types of databases are relational databases, which use stored structured data, and non-relational databases used to store data in a non-tabular format, key value. Relational databases are made up of table, column, and rows. Primary keys can ensure a record is unique within a table, and foreign keys can allow for a relationship connection to be made between two or more tables. SQL is an easy-to-learn programming language that can be used to interact with relational databases. Database and table statements can be used to create, manipulate databases and tables. CRUD operations: insert, select, update, and delete. Insert or create, read, update, and delete can be used to manage data in a database. In SQL, we can use clauses to define how data should be retrieved, filtered, sorted, or grouped. The efficient use of operators and functions can help us filter and manipulate data in SQL. That wraps up this room. Click the button below to finish it. Answer the question below. I'm ready to move forward and learn more about web application security. Nice room.